This one comes from Venice region, and I've been waiting to share this for quite a while. I love this track, it sits in my library, and it's a special one because it was made by Beatrice Dalla Vecchia. The title is Starting Somewhere, and Beatrice is a pretty good DJ, I would say, and a good producer. She was one of the finalists of the Jaeger Music Lab in 2025, and this track was actually created during this project. She was one of the finalists. I encourage you to go and dig on YouTube if you want to find out more about this release, and also on Instagram if you're curious about who Beatrice is. I had the pleasure to meet Beatrice a couple of times. She's an incredibly positive person, and you know, this positive energy shines through her music as well. Not only her DJ set, but especially from her productions. And I'm not gonna wait, I'm gonna share this right away. So we're gonna enjoy it. This is Starting Somewhere, Beatrice Dalla Vecchia. Enjoy it! We are streaming live from the XYZ Creative Center in beautiful Conegliano, Italy. All right, this was an incredibly, I would say, energetic track. So, Beatrice, we can't wait to see what you're gonna come up next. Now that you took off, we're all tuned in and anxious to see what else you're going to release. If this is the first time for all you out there, and this is the first time you hear about Beatrice, yeah, dig deep in her social channels, because you will find a lot more information about her, and stay tuned. Definitely a new emerging artist that is worth enjoying. And this track is available also on all streaming platforms, so if you want to find out more and enjoy it again, take it all in.